Hi, my name is Chanarong Tayaso. I will to present preliminary information. Ancient artifacts that are more than 1,300 years old are silver used to contain Buddha statue. List the appearance of the silver image of bronze in consists of two parts. One, the top part look like two segments. The top part is a round top. Two, the body of the silver is made of bronze. It looks like a bear or an upside down part of the silver with freely with the bottom of the top. The lyrics are divided into 16 first or less for construction style. Area interior from the foundation up to the first floor, 3.7 meter high. Allocation: Ban Nadun district. How to get there from Hazram City? Take route 2040 to Gadam district. Wabri district enters. Load on to route 2045 to Nadun. District. It is about 65 kilometers from Hazram City and highway. The 5th to the 10th floor with a height of 11 meters is the best of the lake, especially the 8th floor which contains the Buddha relic. That is very beautiful. The structure consists of 16 pillars up to the 9th floor. Thank you very much.